Okay, and now this headlight housing is finally free, and we can go to look that back area also, because here we have these bolts what we have to replace when we are doing the servicing, and let's go to look through this. The next bulb is in here, this parking light bulb, and it is like a little bit hidden, and there is this parking light bulb, and when we take that away, this is the standard 5, there is this standard, I believe that, let's look even closer. Now we can look, this is the standard 205 volts, this bulb, and maybe we can see this type in here, but this is standard, this small 2 or 5 watts bulbs, and that one is okay because the central area is in fine in this my bulb. Okay, and I install this bulb back. This is the park light bulb, and this goes in that hole, and only rotation and is fine. And this was high beam bulb, and this is then this headlight, front headlights, this height level adjusting motor, this one, that device. Using this motor, these lights goes down and up.